This is Krishna sir. You all are most welcome in the online classes of Bihar Vikas Vidyalaya. See, today is 4 May 2020 and we are going to study determiners. Yesterday I have told you some uses of determiners and today again we are going to learn some more uses of some determiners. Here I have written meaning. First, before teaching meaning, I would like to tell you something. You know, my dear students, this lockdown has been very hard on all of us. So you all have to keep yourself busy with your work. And here I tell you one thing regarding determiner. Determiner means it is a word that is used before nouns to determine its meaning. Okay. In our previous classes, I told you about the uses of some determiners, and I told you about determiner also. And here I want to tell something that my dear students, you know actually that you are students of class 9 to 10. So in class 9, 10, and 11, actually some integrated grammar exercises are asked in the examinations. And actually there are four type of integrated grammar are asked in the examination: editing questions, omission question, and jumble words. And to know answer of all these questions, to solve all these questions, you need to know about the correct usage of determiners. If you don't know the correct usage of determiners, you will make several mistakes while doing these type of questions. That's why we are going to discuss the correct usage of determiners. Here you can see that I have written first many. Many is what? It denotes large number. It denotes large number. It denotes large number and always used with countable nouns. And always used with countable nouns. If you talk about many means what? It is a determiner. And here we are reading determiner. Since actually that we are studying determiner, then definitely we also know about the correct uses of determiners. Because if you don't know about the correct uses of determiner, then the questions that are asked in our examination won't be solved. To solve these type of questions, questions are asked, just I told you, three types of questions are asked in the examination, like omission, editing, and jumbled words. So these type of questions are very important to be solved. So if you want to solve these questions, then you must know the correct usage of determiner. And here we are reading about the determiner many. Many is what? It is used to denote large number and used with countable noun. Here many boys. You can see after many I have written countable noun and it must be in plural number. Whenever you are writing nouns after many, then it must be in plural number. Okay, so we got now that here you can see that I have written some groups of determiners like few, a few, the few. Actually, these are very common determiners, and they are very confusing also. Okay, most of the students are confused that where they should use few, a few, or the few. Okay, so here one by one we will study about use of few, a few, or the few. First, regarding few, a few, the few. Actually, there are the three determiners. I want to tell you that actually they are always used with plural countable noun. It means few, a few, the few. These are the three determiners that are always used with plural countable noun. And first we are going to study about few. First we are going to study about few. Few means what? Hardly any. Few means what? hardly any, and it gives negative sense. It gives negative sense. If you are talking about few, if you are talking about few, then it means hardly any, and it gives negative sense. Here you can see I have written example. Few boys are illiterate in my village. Few boys are illiterate in my village. So it means what? Here it is giving negative meaning. It what? It means what? It means actually there are very few boys. What? Like few boys are illiterate in my village. It means what? That all boys, it means maximum number of boys in my village are literate, not illiterate. Okay. So here it gives negative meaning. It means all of the boys of my village are literate. All of the village of my village are literate. Here we are studying about few. Few means it gives negative meaning. It means hardly any. Few boys are literate in my village means what? Most of the boys of my village are literate. Okay. So I hope you have got. Now we know about a few. Now we are studying about a few. A few means some. It gives positive sense. It gives positive sense. You can see I have written example here. A few boys are illiterate in my village. A few boys are illiterate in my village. It means what? Not many boys, but a few boys. You can say. Actually, it does not give negative meaning. It gives positive meaning. It means there are some boys in my village who are illiterate. Who are illiterate. You can see another example. A few movies are worth watching nowadays. A few movies are worth watching these days. It means not all the movies, but there are some movies that are worth watching these days. Here now we can see the few. The few means not many. The few means not many, but all of them. Here I want to tell you one thing regarding few or few. The few means what? The nouns that you are going to supply with these determinants must be countable noun. Must be countable noun. It means must be actually they should be in number and they must be countable noun. Okay, and they must be in plural form. So here the few means not many but all of them. Example: I read the few book I had. Here you can see there is one error in this sentence. You can see there is one error in this sentence. I read the few because just I told you after few or few the few the number must be in plural form and it should be countable. So here I read the few, but here I have written book. So it should be in plural form and it should be books, not book. Okay, got it now? I read the few books I had. Okay, it means I had not many books. I had not many books, but whatever the books I read all of them. Getting it? You can see another example. The few friends he has is poor. You can see I have done another mistake in this sentence. The few. Here this is friends, so actually there is no incorrect here. And he has, it is also right, but is I have written. You know, actually this is friends. This is friends, not few friends. So actually this number is in plural form. So verb should also be in plural form. But I have written here singular. So I have to supply R here. So these types of questions are asked in the examination. And you actually when you will do like questions editing, omissions, then you need to do this type of like what things in those type of questions. Okay. So now that we have to know about little or little the little. I hope you all have understood these few or few the few. Once again I want to tell you regarding few or few the few means what? Actually only plural countable nouns. Only plural countable nouns are used with all these determinants like few or few or the few. Okay, and they must be in plural number. They must be in plural number and thus and they must be in countable form. Okay. Here like now that we are going to cover actually another set of determinants, that is little or the little. Actually they are these are used with singular uncountable nouns. These are used with singular uncountable nouns. These are used with singular uncountable nouns. I can see that we are going to cover another set of determiners, little or little, the little. Okay, actually these type of determiners are used only with singular uncountable nouns. The noun must be in singular form and they must be uncountable. They should not be a number. Actually here I will tell you regarding little or little, the little means they are not used. They are not used for numbers. They are not used for numbers. Instead, they are used for quantities. Instead, they are used for quantities. But if you talk about few, of few, then they are used for numbers. They are not used for quantities. Here I have written here, and actually few little, a little, the little. I want to tell you once again about this. These set of determiners are used with singular uncountable nouns. Okay, they are used for quantity, not for numbers. You can see I have written here little. So little is what? Hardly any, and it also gives negative sense. Like for what? Few. But few is used for with numbers, but little is used with what? Quantity. So here, yes, listen. Little is what? Hardly any, and it gives negative sense. And few is also hardly any, but this is used for with number, and this is used with what? Quantity. It means what? It is used to denote quantity, but it is used to denote number. Here you can say I written example. Ram has little chance of promotion. So this is chance. This is chance. So actually this is what? This is uncountable noun. You cannot count it, and so that's why that I have written here little. It means what? Ram has little chance. It means what? Ram has not much chance of promotion. Here you can see I have written another example. There are little hope of his success. So once again here I would like to tell you that I have written there are little hope. So actually only once again I want to tell you little or little, and the little is what? Only singular countable nouns are used with little or little or the little. Okay, but here I have written this is little. So hope this is singular, but I have written here R. So R is used with plural. R is known as plural word. So there are little hope, not there is little hope. Okay, got it? Next one we have to know about a little. A little is what? Some positive. A little is some. It gives positive sense. Okay, and it means what? At least some. It means what? At least some. It means at least some. Here you can see example. There is a little hope of his recovery. There is a little hope. It means what? A little hope. So there is a little hope. It means we are just saying this sentence with a positive sense that we are having a little hope of his recovery. Okay. And here you can see I have given example that he has a little rupees to spend. Now he will say, sir, I have written a little with rupees, but rupees is countable now, but I have used a little. So this sentence is incorrect. So definitely this sentence is incorrect. Okay, this sentence is definitely incorrect. Okay, this sentence is definitely incorrect. He has a little rupees to spend. So actually a little is what? A little is used with uncountable noun, but rupees is not uncountable noun. It is countable noun. We can easily count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I have written a little. But just I told you a little is used with uncountable noun, and this is not uncountable noun. This is countable noun. That's why actually that's why that we should not use a little with this one. Okay. So instead of this we can write he has what? Here we can write that he has a few rupees. A few definitely we can write because a few is used for number. So rupees is numbers. Okay. Instead of this we can write if money is given. If money is given, then money is uncountable noun. Money is uncountable noun. So we can easily write he has a little money to spend. Okay. So if rupees is given, then you have to use few or few whatever. But if money is given, so money is uncountable noun. So we have to use little, whatever according to the situation. Okay. So I hope you understood this one also. Now we have to know about the little. The little is what? The little is not much, but whole of it. Not much, but whole of it. Not much, but whole of it. Once again, I will quantity, that's why that I have written here much, okay, and whole of it, okay. So example you can see the little milk little milk I kept for you have been finished by you. The little milk I kept for you have been finished. So you know actually the little milk. The little means it means not much milk. The little means milk is what? Not much milk, but whatever I have kept for you, it means it was what? Finished. It was finished by you. It was finished by you. So here not much, but actually not much. The milk I had kept, so actually not much, but whatever it was, but whole of it was finished by you. So you know actually that I have written here the milk, the little milk I kept for you I have written have. So have is what? Have is what? Incorrect here. We should not write have. Instead of have, we have to write has. The little milk. You know the little milk is what? Singular number. But here I have written have. The little milk I kept for you. Actually, it is for the little milk I kept for you has. Sorry. Has been finished. Yes, it should be has been finished because it should be singular number. Another example you can say that I have written the little money. You can see that I have written here money. When money is what? This is uncountable noun. So the little money he had were also spent on medicine. So the little money he had were not what was. It should be was because it is plural number. So it should be here singular. It is plural. So plural is what? Plural should not be used because with little or little, the little, this type of determinate states are always used with uncountable noun and with uncountable noun, and they take singular. So the little money he had was also spent. Was should be okay. Was WAS was. Okay. I hope you all have understood this one very clearly. Now we are looking another determiner here. Another. Okay. Another is what? It is used with singular countable noun. It is used with singular countable noun. It is used with singular countable noun. Like can I have another cup of tea? Can I have another cup of tea? Okay. So actually another is used with another. Can I have another cup of tea? Okay. Now several is what? This is an impressive number and not very large. It denotes not very large but more than two. It denotes not very large but more than two. Example you can say there are several deaths during COVID-19 epidemic in India. Okay, you can see several, but actually not very large but more than two. Okay, so here we have to use several here. Okay, got it. Now that enough, we are studying. Now we have to know about enough. Enough is what? It is used before plural or uncountable nouns. It is used enough. Enough is used before plural or uncountable nouns. So I want to tell you enough is what? Whenever it is, when it is it used? It is used whenever something is what? Sufficient or as much as needed. Okay, getting it now? Once again I want to tell you about the use of enough. Enough is used to denote something is sufficient or as much as needed. So here the hotel had enough rooms. So plural number. The hotel had enough rooms for all the guests. Okay. Here once again I want to tell you about it. Use of another, several, and enough here. Another is what? It is used with singular countable noun, and another. I want to tell you about the usage of another once again. Another means what? It is used with singular countable noun. It is used with singular countable nouns. And where is it used? It is used what? To denote an additional person or thing at the same time. It is used to denote an additional. It is used to denote an additional person or thing at the same time. Okay. Here I can what? I have written example. Can I have another cup of tea? Okay. So actually another cup of tea. So what? This is an additional things that at the same time that he wants. Okay. And the several means what? An impressive, a number not very large, more than two. Actually, several is used to denote not very large our country has ever never faced this type of problems. So actually, such this type of problems which we are facing today. Okay, and actually that we are having loss of many days lives also here. There are several deaths during COVID-19 epidemic in India. So you can see that dates like it is more than two. That's why that I have written here several here. And enough means it is used before plural or uncountable noun. Okay, it is used before plural or uncountable noun. Okay, enough. So actually that is sufficient. Okay, enough means what? That is sufficient. Getting it now or as much as needed. So here the hotel had enough rooms for all the times. So the actually enough rooms. So this is plural numbers. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this one very carefully. In next video we will learn some more determinants. Okay. Thank you.